Service in Marquette has issued a tornado warning for Southwestern Alger County in north-central Upper Michigan until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Deerton, or 16 miles west of Munising, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Offspring and Chatham around 7:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Munising around 7:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Forest Lake, Wetmore, and Christmas. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for East Central Marquette, West Central Schoolcraft and Southwestern Alger counties. At 6:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located